Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Lakshmi. Today's date is 12th March 2022. Today's my video topic is e-learning pro cons. So let's discuss the advantages of e-learning. The first one is self-paced learning. The instructor lead course run to the schedule, and this means the course and the learning activity moves preface faster than the delegate hold like this can mean to reduce the exam confidence and impending the domain knowledge. The next advantages on demand availability. In our e-learning system are available 24 hour a day and 365 days a year. The next advantages of e-learning, the examination in your own surrounding. The virtual proctor, you can now cite your the examination in the comfort of your own home. The next advantages of the coverage or learning style. The e-learning provide the single experience that accommodate their three distinct learning style of auditory learner and visual learner and kinesthetic learner. The next advantages of truly green approach to learn. If anyone have ever worked in a training company, then you will appreciate the when load or paper is used to print the manual. The worksheet and past paper on average our aggregated student get through in a exam of 250 pages of double side paper per person. E-learning eliminate this. Okay. Then next advantages is low cost. When the travel the cost to take into account e-learning is very often the cheaper than the instructor and lead course. Okay. So then next advantages is to help those with busy diaries. Some people have very busy lives and fitting in a 5-day instructor course plus evening homework is open impossible. So e-learning allow the learn to fit the course and around their work schedule. Okay. Then next advantages of e-learning is the more efficient performance monitoring. The student examination simulation, the question at the end of each course module and at the end of the course can their student dashboards see statically their exam performance and assess their own readiness to sit the real examination. Also our instructor can and will the monitoring your performance. It is more easy than the instructor lead course and inverse interval in order to see if you need the further support. Okay. And then next advantages is instructor support. The forums and the direct messaging the trainer is never too far away in order to support your learning. The next advantages is the community based support. We have forum for all our course. We learn and instructor and post the question and swap ideas and opinions. And then next advantages is the exam result are coming close to the instructor lead course. We currently have 99% pass rate for the Prince 2 foundation examination and 89% pass rated for practitioner examination. The one line pass rate which make this. So next one is the disadvantages of e-learning. The first one disadvantage is lack focus. The something is poorly motivated learner can quick the fall behind in online course within the fixed schedule or run routine. E-learning can become the difficult for people to meet the specified learning deadlines. Okay. Next disadvantage is technophobia. it learner who are the suffer from the technophobia find e-learning and real challenge with the technology acting as a barrier to learning rather than the learning acceleration. Okay, so this is all about small information of e-learning.